Hello. I just picked up this anti-static dust brush from Hudson Hi-Fi. I wanted to see if it actually lives up to its claims. I figured it would handle dust removal while playing a record just fine, but I was really curious about how well it tackles static. For the price, it's pretty cheap. I thought, why not give it a try? I've been eyeing a proper anti-static solution for a while, like a D-stat, but I just haven't been able to justify the cost of that yet, so this seemed like a good alternative to test out. Today I'm going to unbox it, set it up, and check how it performs. But spoiler alert, the instructions aren't great. Their video guide was hard to find and not very detailed, especially when it comes to setting the weight correctly. But we'll figure it out together. So let's see what's in the box. Comes with a little cleaning brush, probably for maintaining these bristles. And the description says these bristles are goat hair. And then there's a carbon fiber section in the middle, which I suppose would help with static. It's pretty common in these anti-static type brushes to use a carbon bristle. There's also a grounding wire, which I assume connects to the grounding terminal on the back of the preamp. Here's the part I was most curious about. The arm itself and the weight system. You can adjust the weight to increase or decrease downforce, similar to a tone arm. And there's even a counterweight for fine tuning. The base has adhesive for mounting, which isn't ideal if you're hesitant about sticking something permanent onto your plinth. But hey, if it works, I'm happy to keep it there. So for installation, I found a spot on the turntable where the arm can stay out of the way during playback and still allow the dust cover to close. That's super important to me. I used some masking tape to mark the position before sticking it down, just to make sure I got it right the first time. The grounding wire was a bit short for my setup, but I managed to thread it through the hinge of the dust cover and connect it securely. Alright, so now for the moment of truth. I played a record first without the arm, and yeah, there was quite a bit of static. Then I put the arm on and let it run for a bit. I think it made a difference. The pops and cracks were a bit quieter, especially during the quieter parts of the song. I'll have to test it more thoroughly, but so far I am noticing some improvement. What I do love is how well it removes dust while the record is spinning. Honestly, even if static reduction is only marginal, the dust cleaning alone makes it worth the price for me, especially around, what, $30? It's not a replacement for something high end like a D-stat, but for the price, I think it's a solid buy. So that's my take on the Hudson Hi-Fi anti-static dust brush. If you've used one or have other recommendations, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.